Yes, ma'am. Time and again, Saligaon garbage treatment plant, तुवें तुझे statement clear केलेलो आसा. There have been this statements from the other side which have been coming on this. Now, तुम्ही आसतना म्हणटा ते proposal forward केलेलो. मायकलांनी पर मिनिस्टर मागीर लोबोनूय म्हटलें अशें. So तुम्ही केल्लो एक्झॅक्टली कितें जाल्लें?
जशें तुमी म्हणटा टायम एंड अगेन आय हॅव बीन अपोजींग टू इट. आतां द मुवमेंट इज फॉर वॉट? हू इज इम्पॉर्टंट एट दीस पॉयंट ऑफ टायम? Is the cabinet approval काय opposition to the garbage treatment plant? आता we are vociferously up in arms against the expansion of the garbage treatment plant. आम्ही the villages of Saligaon, the panchayat of Saligaon, the surrounding villages, सगळे आम्ही we are of opinion आणि we have put up a very strong fight. आता ही fight derail करपाक खंय तरी ताका स्पोक घालपाक an attempt is made by few people who are in the media these days.
Few people like who?
Some Congress spokespersons are there. We have seen Yatish Naik speaking about it. We have seen some individuals from Congress only speaking about it. Other than Congress people, nobody has raised this issue. Ata, this is an attempt to derail the fight, and secondly, tenka it is expansionaचेर हें करून लक्ष सायडीक काडून आपलो पेटी पॉलिटिक्स आणि सेल्फ इंट्रस्ट पॉलिटिक्स आहा पळय हे खंय तरी लोकां फुडल्यान टू गेट सम मायलेज आउट ऑफ दीस दे आर ट्रायंग टू गेट दीस इशू ऑफ मी नॉट ऑब्जेक्टिंग द proposal, the mood to the cabinet. आता right from the beginning, not only during the cabinet meeting, but तेज्या आदी सुद्दां in 2017 I am on record. My Facebook, you can still go and check. Facebookaचेर हांवें घातलेलें की this is the Facebook की 6th July 2017 हांव म्हणटा की villages against increase of Saligaon treatment plant, expansion of Saligaon treatment plant. This is in 2017. 2017 जावन कॅबिनेटाक येयली, कॅबिनेटाक हांवें डिसेंट म्हजो दाखयलो in front of everybody. The more stress was on Kakoda and the Bangini plant.
तुमचा डिसेंट मिनिस्टर आसतना दाखयलो.
मिनिस्टर आसतना दाखयलो in the cabinet दाखयलो आनी तेन्ना immediately after the cabinet I have spoken to the chief minister. I went back to my panchayat आणि पंचायती बद्दल सरपंचाक सांगले हांवें ऑल द वॉर्ड मेंबराक सांगले आनी वी हॅव एड्रेस्ड प्रेस एट दॅट टायम. आमी प्रेसाक नवीन टायम्साक आमी तेन्ना हे दिलेले आमचो तो रिपोर्टर बाब जोझफ पिंटो तेका आमी बायट दिल्या की आमी वी आर अगेन्स्ट बिकॉज पीपल ऑफ सालिगांव आर अगेन्स्ट दीस एंड देर आर वेरियस रिजन्स विच आर सायटेड रोड्स स्कूल्स कंटेमिनेशन ऑफ वेल्स हे सगळे सायट केला तेन्ना आनी सून आफ्टर द कॅबिनेट वेन मायकल लोबो एज ही वॉज अ member of that particular committee of the corporation of waste management आणि मायकलाक जेन्ना टायम्स ऑफ इंडियाचे इंटरव्यू विचारलें की वॉट अबाउट द एक्सपान्शन काय म्हणून मायकलान सांगलें की आय स्ट्रॉंगली ऑब्जेक्ट टू द एक्सपान्शन एंड ऑल्सो नॉट ओनली मी बट माय काउंटर पार्ट फ्रॉम सालिगांव इज ऑल्सो ओपोज्ड एंड इज ऑन रिकॉर्ड दॅट जयेश सालगांवकर इज ऑल्सो ओपोज्ड टू द एक्सपान्शन. दिस इज इन मंथ ऑफ एप्रील मार्चान जाल्या एंड इन द मंथ ऑफ एप्रील मायकल लोबो इज ऑन रिकॉर्ड ऑन 27th of April 2000 he Saligaon plant won't be expanded and in that same interview Michael Lobo also says he the legislator claimed that his Saligaon counterpart Jayesh Salgaonkar is also opposed to the expansion of garbage treatment plant. आता जेन्ना मायकल लोबो म्हणटा केन्ना when I am a minister, Panchayat speaks against the expansion when I am the minister. I have put on my Facebook when I am the minister. So where the question arises that I have supported the expansion. I have been opposing this expansion right from the beginning. We are not against the treatment plant. थंयसर garbage हाडून pile up करताना Tulio was there, son-in-law of the local representative. He never objected to the piling up of the garbage from Kalangut. Kalangut and dumping करून the only person who I saw on YouTube was Dean D'Cruz speaking about this dumping of the garbage on Saligaon plateau. And tenna it was required necessary and I welcome Michael Lobo's statement now. Michael Lobo recent statement दिला हा की looking at the sentiment of the people of Saligaon I am dropping this expansion of Saligaon treatment plant only.
I think
Some 2 days back he has given a statement, so I welcome that statement of Michael Lobo. लोकांच्या हितान आसा आनी लोकांचे इफ यू टेक पीपल इन टू कन्सिडरेशन हें गरजेचें आसलेलें. आनी फर्स्टली म्हाका सांगूंक दिसता की इवन वेन पर्रीकर हॅड टू पुट अप दीस प्लांट ही हॅड टू गो टू द पीपल. नाव ऑल्सो बिफोर एक्सपान्शन इट वॉज नीड बिफोर गोईंग इन टू द कॅबिनेट इट वॉज नीड दॅट दे शूड हॅव गॉन टू द पीपल. आनी आयचो जो जजमेंट आसा एक फ्रेश न्यू जजमेंट येयला अपहोल्डिंग द 2006 rule की even if it is above 20% expansion of any government project 20%च्या वयर जेन्ना एक्सपान्शन करता तेन्ना गव्हर्मेंटान प्रपोज केल्लें की वी नीड नॉट गो टू द पीपल. बट दॅट सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट हॅज सेड दॅट फॉर एनी EC फॉर एनी एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स फॉर एनी यू हॅव टू गो टू द पीपल. मे इट बी 20%, मे इट बी 50%. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर देन 120%. when you are saying of expanding from 100 to 250, you are going above 100%. And here there was a need actually to go to the people ki आम्ही तुमचे इतले expand करता. And before that, to have dedicated roads is very important. For this current operating plant also, you need dedicated roads. You need the trucks which Parrikar had that time promised. की ते सगळे compactor येतले म्हणून कांयच जावं ना. And you are talking about expansion just because you don't get other facilities in elsewhere in Goa. People are objecting to in their particular villages or talukas. My sarpanch yesterday is also on record की आम्ही सगळ्यांनी मेळून प्लांटाक एक्सपान्शनाक ऑब्जेक्ट केला म्हणून.
no, time and again, why it is only at this time and why only targeting when even on Saligaon garbage, जयशाक जयशान हें केलें जयशान तें केलें म्हणून सगळें रिजन कितें आसतलें?
रिजन तेंकडे आनी दुसरो इशू ना. टू गो अगेन्स्ट जय सालगांवकर देर इज नो अदर इशू देन दॅट कॅबिनेट नोट वीच आय हॅव ओपोज. आनी कॅबिनेटाचेर म्हाका तुका सांगपाचें दिसता आतां कॅबिनेटाक तेंच्यांनी देव कोटेड दॅट कॅबिनेट. म्हाका तूं कॅबिनेट रायट फ्रॉम बांदोडकर्स कॅबिनेट, दयानंद बांदोडकर्स कॅबिनेट टील प्रमोद सावंत कॅबिनेट, म्हाका तूं एक डिसेंट वीच इज नोटेड म्हाका दाखय. इफ अ मिनिस्टर हॅज स्पोकन अगेन्स्ट सर्टन इशू वीच हॅज कम अप इन द कॅबिनेट, यू शो मी दॅट इशू इफ इट इज नोटेड. तुमकां खबर आसतली फाटल्या दिसांनी मिनिस्टर झगडले, म्हाज्या टर्माक मिनिस्टर झगडलेले जावं कितें सर्टन मिनिस्टराक इशूचेर मिनिस्टराचे अदर वे ओपिनियन आसलो. इज इट रिकॉर्डेड?
कांयच
सो
ना.
देर इज नो डिसेंट रिकॉर्डेड. द डिसेंट तेजी कॅमिस्ट्री तशी आहा ती हेजी वॉट एवर द चीफ मिनिस्टर फील्स. आनी आमकां म्हाका ड्युरींग द फर्स्ट कॅबिनेट वेन ऑल द मिनिस्टर वर टोल्ड की इफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर फील्स दॅट दिस इज अ रिक्वायर्ड प्रोजेक्ट और दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड देन ही कॅन टेक अप द प्रोजेक्ट रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द मिनिस्टर ऑब्जेक्टिंग टू इट. आनी जर तूं मिनिस्टर ऑब्जेक्ट करता देन युअर इट इज देर बट you can always suggest, but you cannot impose that your decision on the chief
So
minister.
you have learned what is going on inside the cabinet.
I have learned and I know what is going on inside the cabinet. Our fellow colleagues should learn that.
So तू कितले ऑब्जेक्ट कर कॅबिनेटाक तुजें केन्ना आयकूना?
आता हे हांवें पयलें म्हणलें कॅबिनेट इज अ मीथ म्हणून.
हां.
It is not like a gram panchayat meeting where you record your statements. Whatever the chief minister feels, that is taken up. Even certain instances have happened where the chief minister जर तेका जाय प्रोजेक्ट जाल्यार he announces the project and then the project goes to the cabinet.
पण तुजें ऑब्जेक्शन मागीर खंय उरलें?
ना ऑब्जेक्शन ते तेजी केमिस्ट्री तशी आहा कॅबिनेटाची.
पण दिलीपान सांगलेलें की तुमी कॅबिनेट आसा तुमच्या टेन्युअर आमचें एप्रुवल जाल्लें.
एप्रुवल पण हांवें तेका ऑब्जेक्ट केला न्हू. तुका हांवें स्टेटमेंट्स आहा न्हू. हांवें म्हाजें ना. आय हॅव गॉट स्टेटमेंट्स वीच आर कवर्ड बाय द प्रेस मिडिया. I have statements which are covered by the press media and various, not only one media, but various media. I have a legislator who now is a minister who is saying, endorsing my statement.
No, but that time he was your friend. Now he is still your friend.
He is
and
still my
endorsing-
friend. He is still my
But he
friend.
endorses your statements.
He should. It is in the news. It is recorded. It is on records.
The record देखून जाणा देखून आसतना why he is saying that. हिंगा
आता
थिंगा.
you have to ask him that. You show him this cutting and ask him.
Is it because you were coming close to BJP and that everything is objecting and putting yours?
पत्ता बीजेपीचेर पावलो.
तुजेर येता.
म्हाका पळय रायट नाव आय वॉन्ट टू रिस्ट्रिक्ट टू दी सालिगांव ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाचेर कितें आहा पळय इशू आहा पळय तो. आय वॉन्ट टू क्लियर ऑल द क्लाउड अँड क्लियर ऑल द एप्रियन लोकांचे मिसकन्सेप्शन वीच पीपल हॅव गॉट.
सो मातसो मायकलान 2 दीस पयलो स्टेटमेंट केला जाल्यार आयज मिटींग आपयला तुमी ती कित्याक तर?
मिटींग आपयला टू युनायट एवरीबडी.
हां.
युनायट आनी आमी हे मिटिंगेक आय हॅव नॉट ओनली कॉल्ड द सरपंच हॅज कॉल्ड फॉर द मिटींग सालिगांव सरपंच एंड सालिगांव सरपंच हॅज कॉल्ड फॉर द एक्स मिनिस्टर Mr. Dilip Parulekar, she has called Agnel Fernandez, she has called Joseph Sikvera, she has called Tulio, she has called all my 6 panchayat members, sarpanch and the members. She has called the neighboring panchayat members with the sarpanches. She has called the NGOs present there. She has called the people who have gone to the court against the expansion. There are various bodies which she has called. And yes, सगळ्यांचे opinion आहे, it is not a political meeting, it is not a meeting to score some brownie points on somebody, but it is a meeting for to oppose the expansion. And आम्ही त्या meeting and today we will welcome Michael's decision on it, that even Michael today feels that people's consent is very important, and the sentiments of the people will be valued more. And if people of Saligaon doesn't want the expansion will not be done.
Like former Minister Dilip Parulekar, or your good friend Agnel, and even Joseph have opposed this. So what is your say on all this?
They should oppose. आमचे उदक सगळें पिड्यार जाल्लें आसा, स्पेशली इन कांदोलीम इफ यू सी मोर देन सालिगांव. कांदोलीम ओर्डा इज सामकें क्लिफाच्या सकयल आसा थंयसर, रायट बिलो दॅट सालिगांव प्लॅटू वेर द गार्बेज इज ट्रिटेड. थंयसरल्यो सगळे वॉटर टेबल इज कंटॅमिनेटेड. सालिगांवचे सालमोना द एरिया द वॉटर इज कंटॅमिनेटेड. देन पिलेन द वॉटर इज कंटॅमिनेटेड. आता इथून देर इज सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम द हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट ऑल्सो that particular area surrounding that hill, the water is not fit for consumption. So all these people, despite of having water wells, potable drinking water wells, they have to depend on the PWD supplied water. आता इथून जर 10 दीस तांकां उदक ना, helpless they are. They have the water in the wells but they cannot use it. ही परिस्थिती थंय जाल्ली आसा. And if you do it more, it will further contaminate the water, poisoning that entire area. Secondly, if we allow this, they have another project which is the incinerator, the plastic incinerator which is going to come there. At the plastic incinerator, it is going to become a gas chamber. The entire Saligaon surrounding area is going to become a gas chamber. आणि थंयसर अशें आहा की त्या प्लांटा कडेन एप्रोच रोड्स आनी हें सगळें अजिबात ना. आतां भितरल्यान रायट नाव देर आर ट्रक्स फ्लायींग with 100 tons of garbage. Tomorrow you will have 250 trucks coming there to the garbage plant. The corporation, why was the corporation in the first, or the ministry in the first place, department was there formed, is because departmentaचे various functions जाल्ले. थंयसर लोकांक अवेरनेस करपाचें, लोकांक लिटरेट करपाचें how to segregate the garbage, to come up with more garbage plants, to get funds from the center for the garbage treatment plants in various parts of Goa. आणि सेंटराचे सुद्धा there are various tabled which is tabled before the parliament. There are reports which the report says there should not be a centralized facility in India, and in his own, in honorable prime minister's his own constituency Varanasi, there are segregated projects of garbage, and it's a success model.
So with Minister Lobo making this statement which you say everything is settled now, what you are saying, still your fight continues?
The fight will continue, and till the expansion is
you
cancelled.
believe in his statement saying that मागीर आनी कितें जावंक शकता?
I want to believe in Michael Lobo's statement.
So you believe?
I want to believe, आणि हांव मागता देवा कडेन की that statement he will stick to that statement म्हणून, आणि I welcome that statement from him. आणि तो सालिगांव आदी जिखलोलो, ZP इलेक्शन जिखलोलो, सो सालिगांव सुद्दां ताका मातशें अफेक्शनेटली तांणी पळोवपाक जाय. And I request him that statement he should stick firm with that statement.
जायना जाल्यार government, no, like how you said, dissent केन्ना accept करना.
Then we'll come on the streets, we will stop the trucks. आमी कोणे फाटल्याच्यान घातलेलें की a certain person from Congress he will come down on the road with the people म्हणून. He will come on the roads with the people of Saligaon. And we have also heard Jayesh Salgaonkar making noise म्हणून. आता I don't know which person had come on the roads. जर रस्त्यार कोणाक बीन
कोणाचें उलयता? काँग्रेस कितलेच जाणां.
टू बी व्हेरी स्पेसिफिक, तुलियो डिसोजाचे एक कोणे कोट केला, ते कोणे घातला.
पोस्ट स्टेटमेंटूय केलें जाल्यार फाटल्या
तुलियो डिसोजान की आय विल कम ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स विथ द पीपल म्हणून. हेज्या पयलीं तो केन्ना येयला ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स विथ द पीपल. वी आर द वन, सालिगांव पंचायत, सालिगांव तुजले कोण विजिलंट सालिगांवकार्स, हू हॅव स्टॉप द ट्रक्स, हू हॅव स्टॉप्ड द ऑपरेशन्स ऑफ द प्लांट फॉर डे ऑर टू. आणि हे सगळें आसतना वी हॅव हॅड अ मिटींग इन सालिगांव, वीव कॉल्ड द मिटींग. हे सगळें अवेरनेस करता आसतना they say down there that Jayesh Salgaonkar is also making some noise म्हणून. So this entire thing is a big script
For
his
next
script
year, next elections.
for next election, and they are trying to make their grounds. But this
do you feel-
election is still one
1 year.
1.5 year ahead. तेका लागून कामां करत लोकां मदीं वसात आनी असले हितून स्पोक्स घालनाका. You should be talking about supporting the panchayat, the locals,
And the
us,
MLA, who is the present
and,
MLA.
and the MLA for stopping the expansion of the
Tulio
plant.
has the ground
rather
there
than-
for the next elections.
Who?
Tulio ground has
Tulio is a congressman.
in front of you.
Yeah, Tulio is a congressman. He's contested an election before, and Tulio is ambitious about his tickets. And Tegalavanto is making. I think he is making a noise today.
Do you feel everybody has got together, especially to target you on this issue?
फुडले इलेक्शन
Because एकूच
Better.
election उरला.
Better. ते सगळे एकठांय जावन म्हाका टार्गेट करता पळय ते कित्याक that will make me stronger.
Strong. But
And
you're not worried about it.
I am not at all worried about it. I will do my work. I have been doing my work. People of Saligao has seen my work. आणि हांव तें काम करीत रावतलो regardless of what is in store in the future. God has given me, the people of Saligao has given me an opportunity, a chance to serve them, and I'm serving them. I am doing it to the best of my abilities.
Serve them remaining in the same party or wherever you are.
Where I'm in the same party. I'm with the Goa Forward. I will be with. तू पत्ते मरे recap करना का issue. It is settled. I have said once that I will remain with the Goa Forward party. I'm there with the Goa Forward party.